In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Figma on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, you just need to search for Figma, download, then press enter, and then you will see this link. Click here. So you need to come to this link, figma.com/download. After that, you need to go down, and here you will see desktop app for macOS, Windows. So we want to download it for Windows. So I'm going to click on Windows, and it will start downloading a exe file. There you can see, and it is around 109 MB. It will take a few seconds to download. And there you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this exe file. Then it will show you something like this. Here you can see it says login with browser or no account create on. So if you are using Figma for the first time, you need to create an account. So if we just click on create on, it will take us over here, and we need to log in with our Gmail address. So I'm going to click with Gmail. Then we need to choose a Gmail address, and there you can see it is now showing login as this email address. Open the desktop app. If we now just click on this and click here, open application, there you can see it opened Figma over here, and there you can see the installation is complete. So this is how you can download and install Figma on your Windows laptop or PC. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.